Hi and welcome to realestatewealthtools.com. Just wanted to let you know if you are looking at getting into real estate or even understanding about real estate investing, this site has been put together for you, especially if you're a beginner, and there is some great content that you can have a look at here. So I encourage you just to click around. There is a lot of educational material, and it's all got to do with real estate and the business of buying, selling, or leasing property, and across residential and commercial. So this is all for the United States market. So you should find some great information here, like how to buy your first rental property. You've also got some economic analysis. Is there going to be a housing market crash? So there is all this type of information, just so that you can make an informed decision as well. So the between the economic analysis and also the learning modules here, I think you should get a lot out of it. And there is also some tabs further up here on how to create a real estate fortune, and also some marketing ideas as well. So I hope you get a lot out of this. Visit it. Please let me know. I will put the link in the description, and you'll also see the link here at some as part of this video too. So thanks for your time, and enjoy realestatewealthtools.com.